Kawasaki is once again tempting classic motorcycle enthusiasts. In 2026, they officially introduced the latest versions of the W230 and Meguro S1, two lightweight retro motorcycles ready to hit the European market and likely Japan as well. The main highlight? The W230's new color, metallic matte dark green. It's not just a plain dark green paint job. Kawasaki has added chrome accents to the front and rear fenders, departing from the full-color finish of previous generations. This elegant touch evokes its older sibling, the W800, and clearly reinforces its classic aura while enhancing the sense of ownership for its owners. Meanwhile, the Meguro S1 retains its iconic color scheme, complete with a chrome black fuel tank, the distinctive Meguro three-dimensional emblem, and the Meguro logo elegantly displayed on the side cover and speedometer. Its vintage aura is undeniable. Both feature the same engine, a 232 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder from the KLX 230 series, registered as 233 cubic centimeters in Europe, with thick low-mid torque characteristics. The larger crankshaft mass makes the engine response smooth and comfortable, perfect for relaxed cruising in true retro rider style. Weighing just 143 kilograms, both are 18 kilograms lighter than the Estrella 250, making them beginner-friendly yet still enjoyable for experienced riders. A 40-degree turning angle, low seat height, W230 equals 745 mm, Meguro S1 equals 740 mm, and comfortable ergonomics make them ideal for daily commutes or weekend nostalgia trips. More classic details? Of course. From the 130mm round LED headlight, dual analog speedometer, teardrop-shaped fuel tank, cabton-style exhaust, to the 18-inch front and 17-inch rear spoked wheels, all seamlessly integrated into a compact and elegant body. Now there's just one question: will this matte green color be available in the Japanese market? Given last year's trends, it's highly likely. But what about the other colors? Will the blue X black or white X black combinations be retained, or replaced with a new palette? We'll have to wait for the official update. Thanks for watching.